Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Emmanuel religious mouth, known as the Gracia or the Seed of the Seer. Anywhere that you are around the world right now, listening or watching me, I wish you to continue sharing this very program. Share this very program across many platforms. Just share it across many platforms and you will be blessed, please. So, Emmanuel Juice is here to continue the exposition, exposing the evil entities, exposing the bad cankerworms eating us. Share this very program and hit the like button. Now, when all these whole shenanigans started, some people said Dr. Ngozi Orabueze is a sabo. This very sabo that they are calling this woman, they started from when PM was here. Like as you have heard the records which was played, PM countless of occasions telling you to do not listen to those calling Dr. Ngozi Orabueze sabo or linking her to this or that. It has been the handwork of the enemies. PM used to update us. But now let us go to the handwork of those whom is calling Dr. Ngozi Orabueze sabo. There is a one called success. That one, you cannot see him. He is behind. Who is he? They said he is PA, but he is never a PA. Hello? He is never a PA. And I am confidently telling you that he is never a PA. He is just somebody that they send to men on the ground. Now, let us go to the men on the ground that they send them. This year, God bear me witness. Even those of them know. Respect to my chairman. I really respect you so much. You are not involved in this very exposition. I really respect you. I understand your stand. I really respect you. I know why I am with them. But this is a man that I respect so much. Let us go into the exposition. I have nothing against that one. Let us go into the exposition. Success that they used to send to men on the ground. Oh, well, PM's PA was doing in Zama to men on the ground. Yes, this year, I knew when I got calls for a very long time. I told people I don't want to deal with anything called the men on the ground. But this year, I got calls and reports. This thing started from last year, but this year it was much. I got calls from men on the ground, commanders, who we are saying that these people, when they give them money, especially this criminal that is among them, oh, PM's PA that all of you are following, when they give them money, they will remove the one that they will remove and say that they must report this one. And they used to tell them, if you say anything, we will blackmail you out. I cannot even talk about somebody with them now that was blackmailed on several occasions. On several occasions, this man have been blackmailed and they told him to pay money or else they will tell PM that he is a sabo ndoshi. Bia me ihe PA. Ano me eba. Emmanuel Juice n'ọchịchị eba. You people can no longer deceive my people. I'm back and front. Back and front on him now in this very struggle. If you are not genuine, Emmanuel Juice will continue to expose you. That is, if you are not genuine. Now, when these people continue this way, because I have heard the one, there is one called, what are they calling this one that is speaking little Calabar? All of them don't join hands. Oh, do video, condemn PM, condemn CSO, do video, condemn Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. She says, this Sabona started when PM was around. Now I want to tell you people something. During the time that PM took over from Ndinzama, They were calling PM Sabo. They made many men on the ground to do video. Even at a time, they told PM Mugu to use it against him. They went to tell him that this work that was done by those men that we recruited. PM posted it with their work. Next thing, you see those people still coming out to video with Nzimdinzaba saying PM, we don't know him. He said this, he said that. We stood our ground to justify PM. And by the time we stood our ground, it is because PM is on the right track. I have watched the video of Oge Nkere. For crying out loud, in case if you don't know who Oge Nkere is, I was told that he is Ifeanyi Uba's cousin. So maybe he is fighting the fight of Ifeanyi Uba. Yes. If Ifeanyi Uba can recruit Obontunu Uruagu, who is not even his blood, what about his cousin? I was told though, that he's Ifeanyi Uba's cousin. Yes, you can go and do your verification. I watched the video of Oge Nkere in Finland saying, I went to America, I told Michael Johnson that I am going to Finland to declare Biafra, from finance minister to declaring of Biafra. Oh, they went and declared Biafra on 29. If I read to the US, what will I tell them? Will I tell them that the date change? On December 2nd, Biafra is here declared, Onyoshi. Go and begin to do your research. They plan to stop December 2nd. They plan to stop December 2nd. Those of you that we are using, they plan to stop December 2nd. Even the one who called this Minister of Women of Panther Affairs, Chiamaka Ajaere, though already they caused chaos, looking forward to when they will fight so that the Finnish police will say that, oh, this event is violent, close. Because some people, we are expecting men to come from outside to cause the chaos. The chaos don't already happen. In Finland, they cause the chaos for their puppets that sent them. And they are saying, oh, they will arrest Dr. Nkere Arabese, they will arrest this, they will do this, they will do that. They have paid their agents. And if you people watch, when Adadi Oramma, before Adadi Oramma, I have done series of videos saying that if you have heard me saying this, and I thank God that our sister Adadi Oramma have done series of videos telling PM on how they are here. They are not SVR, they are here. So when Biafra was declared on December 2nd, that was a big blow to them. Because they were contracted not to declare Biafra on December 2nd. When Dr. Ngozi Arabese, now let me start from the time that the PM disappeared. Dr. Ngozi Arabese gave command. That very command that she gave, if you see the war that they fought that woman, who told you to say? Who told you to say? They will use it against PM. The same thing Zama did when Onyendu was kidnapped. They changed everything that we are doing and started saying, oh, they are going to use it against Mazen Namdekano. Why are you giving the order? As if Mazen Namdekano is a criminal. He was never a criminal. That was the same thing that these people we are doing. They want me to support them. Let us go by the credibility of these people who are blackmailers, liars, and deceivers, trying to deceive our people. Let me even see, because I'm not seeing comments popping up here. Let me go and check comments. Kamara no, they are hit the like button. This is live and direct, and the time now is 9 minutes to 9. 9 minutes to 9. 9 minutes to 9. Blackmailers and deceivers. When they started, they came and told you, some of you, oh, they want to stop the international to men on the ground, though. Lies and deceit. Lies and deceit. Do you hear that? Gaddafi was in their fundraising. Gaddafi was in their fundraising yesterday. Gaddafi was in their fundraising yesterday. Do you hear that? Ụmụachịkọta ekwe ọnụ, sikintum sarampum sarafi putumkus. Criminals. They came to blackmail PM. They intend to do a coup against PM. And I have been telling you people this. Some of them, including this fake Zemani, everyone fake. I used to tell you people, do you know me? Before danger comes, I see that danger before it comes. That is the reason why Emmanuel Oremijus is created. I see danger before it comes. Do you know when I took over? To tell you people what is going to happen. This group of criminals were the people coming to attack me. Oh, why are you saying that? Today it is being exposed that they are covering that plan because they have already planned it earlier. Now, their shock is that how did I get to see this thing? How did I get to see it? Please, all this, bro, do your investigation. You don't know anything. If me could be talking, then you will be talking. You don't know anything. Ask questions. Ask questions. Why is it that this thing was what they did during the time of that Erere Mazi? This thing was what they did. And people telling me, bro, ask question. Did you see the danger when it was coming? I saw it. But these people were hell-bent in running propaganda in anything. The little that I came to say, go and watch that video. I was very, very careful not to spill some certain things. I was telling you people to pray for PM. That this was how I started raising the alarm. People were talking against me during Onyendu time. Pray for PM. They said nothing like that. Nothing like that. Because they have already have their eyes in sabotage. So they wouldn't allow you to know that there is something like that. They will always play. Nothing like that. Nothing like that. I have 61 live views. Please. 27 hitting the like button. If you join this very program, you will hit the like button. I am Emmanuel Oremijus. Nothing like that did it happen. All these fake people coming to give you fake prophecy like that fake Ezemai. Did you see what was happening? Did you say what was happening? I remember your fake prophecy now. As they move the fake prophecy, they go. I have not said anything that doesn't come to pass. Go and check my prophecies. Even when I prophesied about Trump, when I got that message about Trump, I never knew. I misinterpreted the message because I said I saw Trump sitting on a throne. Behind Trump was 2025, which I interpreted to be the time that he is going to come down. There is nothing that I have seen that doesn't come to pass. It will only take time. Show me that fake prophecy that I have given to you. Ifeanyi Oba's cousin, carrying propaganda, sponsoring propaganda. And I have consistently emphasized, if you come into the struggle and start paying people in the struggle, you have something that you want to achieve. That is the reason why you cannot come and say you want to pay me. No matter my hunger, I prefer to go to random people, beg, oh, help me, than I want to sell my conscience after running away. Do you know what it takes to abandon everything that you are doing? Abandon everything. Your friends, your family, your business, everything. You abandon it and take cover overnight. How many of you can do it? And ever since then, I'm staying in exile, being careful on where I go. Do you think that it is easy? No, they live very freedom. People that have no work, they now do space every time. At least I am away. When PM will call them, they will give flimsy excuses. They are going to this place. They are going to that place. Now, this group of criminals do meeting. They host space 4 hours. They are no longer busy because the money that they are raising, they will share the money. Go to the land of Biafra. Those of them, they have started. Oh, who is showing them where the bomb is? You see all these shenanigans that they do in Biafra land. How about us, man? We go nowhere. We go nowhere. How about us, man? Now, let me tell you. Do you know that these people submitted paper in America? According to my informant, that they should, even I saw it I saw that thing, there was something like the write-up in Commander Roy's platform. Commander Royce is a very good man, but it's just that when things are happening, some people will be confused. He's a very good man with a very good heart. Yeah. You know, when things are happening, people will be confused on where to stand, on where not to stand. I saw some of the write-up, but this is the thing that I have gotten, that they should bring, that they should arrest Dr. Ngozi Onabeze in America, that she is sponsoring terrorism in Nigeria. The same thing they did to PM in Finland. They are doing it to Dr. Ngozi Onabeze. And this group of criminals who they are sponsored will sit on it. They will tell you, oh, don't mind them, don't mind them. The same thing that the DOS did, that same key play, they are using the enemies within. Do you know the goal? Divide them, use them against themselves. And you really want me to support them? I stand on the rock of Gibraltar. With command. Have you seen her? Oge Nkere did this. Chiamaka Ajaere did this. She's a woman. She's supposed to be the one doing it. Oge Nkere, you did this thing. Chiamaka Ajaere, you did this thing. Oh, look at what Oge Nkere posted. Oh, look at what Chiamaka Ajaere posted. Oh, look at Akpakarawa, what he posted. She's the one that's supposed to be doing it. But she stands, when you go to her platform, what she posts is other. Just the same way PM was doing. Ndi Nsama, we are attacking him. If you go to PM's platform, he doesn't, what he posts is what he wants you to do. The attention, we are moving forward. This group of people, by the way, they are very, very soon they are going to come to do election. They want to elect Oge Nkere as their new leader. Watch and see it. You are going to see it. They will do that election before all of you. Oge Nkere will take over as their new leader. Oga, drop that portfolio. Somebody minister, bring the money that was donated. And he gave life to lie. I single-handedly sponsored Finland. Before the people that sponsored Finland, 60 people sponsored that Finland declaration. 60 people, which they told them that they will give them certificate. That day, did you see any certificate? And they are kicking. How did you tell us that you will give us certificates? How did you tell us that you will give us certificates? And you then turn around to say that you sponsor over 60 people. And before, I sponsored the Finland Convention. I single-handedly. You don't know how much Hey! Minister Odoshi. Minister Odoshi. Your face, see it all. Your face said it all. After 60 people sponsored convention, no certificate. You told them that they should not post the receipt in the public space, that they should be sending it to your private account. Today, they are telling you people, oh, the New Dimension account is Dr. Ngozi Arabese's charity. So our PM, when he was around posting the New Dimension, was using charity of Dr. Ngozi Arabese. That is what you are telling us, that our PM is diverting money to Dr. Ngozi Arabese, those blackmailers. And this blackmail that they are using will be used against PM. Because what they are saying now is that the New Dimension account is not for Biafra government. And what are they charging PM there? Money laundering. They have removed terrorism. Money laundering. And the one who said that I visited the office, what did he go there to do? To tell them that yes, he laundered the money. If he can say that New Dimension account is a private account in this public space, they are sharing it, tweeting it on Twitter. And you said that you are not blackmailing PM. Ohaneze leader. Ohaneze leader and keep Bazua. And as Ohaneze leader, problem is within our domain. And that problem I have come to solve it. These people are criminals. I am the voice of the Spirit. Before any prophet come to prophesy to you rubbish, ask that prophet, did you see when this thing was about to happen? Did you see it? No matter how fake that they will call Emmanuel religious, at least your prophet will not go see wetin I dey see. That problem, before it come, I go see am and I go talk am. Doubt me at your own peril. The same way, problem will burst very soon. Because money matter, when they gather for money matter go cause that very big problem. Because some people are already feeling that they are being used. They are contemplating in their mind that, look, this thing that is happening, we are being used though. This money that is coming now, where is it going? And if this man cannot do account, can he do account for us? Some people are already contemplating it. I told you. Oh, more than we're all more along my ekele. Huh? Number of ekele. I was gifted this gift as a child. Things that I have seen, you cannot see it. And let me say this. Those of you who are supporting this rubbish, I am seeing destruction ahead. Destruction. But I am being careful when I speak so that they will not say, oh, he is the one that projected it. You know, when you are being given the gift of seeing, you must be careful to call you Amusu before you. Even they don't already call me Amusu now. When Emeka Livingstone them divided, I was peeping them. Through my corner mirror, I was peeping them. I was updating you on how they are going and how they will fight. Did you know what the letter came? One said that I'm a witch doctor. Because even those meetings that they did in private, I can't talk them for my platform. And the time that they started quarreling in private, I saw them being displayed, dismayed. Hey, Tabo Yibo Mwam Nato Yibo, Oyibo Mkonye, Beko Mkonye, finish the Beke. I saw them being displaced, dismayed, confused. I came to my platform and I said, these people are about to fight. Clear road, they are about to fight. They came, they started saying that I'm a witch doctor. They came, they started saying I'm a witch doctor. Those of them whom they have played on their emotion. There are people that I respect so much. People that care about this very platform. I will not like to mention their name. But I am surprised that they support them. These are the people who give me super chats very well in this very platform without coming live. Every month they will go and make a super chat donation. Without not this life. They don't do it in life. I am surprised to see them supporting this group of people. But anyway, I move on. I will stand on the truth. I guess your people will come back. The reason why you supported Emmanuel Oremiju's is because of the truth. And I'm not going to leave that truth because you people left me as your child. Hey! I'm not going to leave that particular truth, which you know Emmanuel Oremiju's for, and started painting walls so that you love Emmanuel Oremiju's. It is lie. And the thing that these people are not telling you people, Chiamaka Ajaere, you called me. You told me that you will use your child to swear because you want to tell me the truth. Because I am somebody that is being respected and you don't want me to make mistake. Now, if you are talking with Emmanuel Oremiju's, I they pick something. My heads are like antenna. I do not hurt anyone, but when you are speaking with me, I they pick things. My heads are like antenna. You told me that why must you people take order from Mazi Simon Eba inside prison? Did we take order from Mazi Nnamdi inside prison? That Mazi Nnamdi have given series of command which is not obeyed. But why can't you people, why are you people afraid to say that in your platform? You will only use sentiment. Oh, I call him Mazi Simon Obato Bie. I call him my leader. I call him what one? You people are smelling lies and deceits. That is whom you people are. And that is the group that you people want me to join. That is the group. Bia Chidi O. Obasanjo you fight Igbo with Igbo. You are the person that is supporting them. If you support these very criminals, that is you want that thing to come to reality. Please share this. You are the only person insulting me here. I want you to share this in your group so that I will have more people that will come to insult me. Do you think that I send you people? Because me and Ugo is blackmailing Biafra. Mas Ugo is a well-respected person. He's somebody in this very struggle that I respect. Do you know why? He speaks the truth. He speaks the truth. Like I used to say something. Now me they call him during the time when he left Finland. It took him days to pick. When I told him this and that, Mazuko did not tell me, oh, come and support us, oh, come and support. He said, Emma the truth. Happen the propaganda. Emma the truth. When you see the truth, you will know the truth. You will follow the truth. He should have told me, oh, Emma, these people are criminals. But as a wise man, he knows that people, when you see the truth, you will know the truth and you will follow the truth. Then who are the people coming to gossip to me? Now these people, oh, the commission of this is someone, chase her out, chase her out. The same thing that they were saying when PM was around. And PM, you see the video that was released. PM have distanced this thing several occasions saying that it's being sponsored by the zoo. On several occasions. You saw the video, right? Not one, not two, not three. Now, after the time, PM never knew that the people sponsoring all these things were around him. They were preparing your mind for a day like this. So that they will tell you, oh, like they said, yesterday, I saw something on Twitter and I laughed. Oh, look at Madam, this, she's following Tunumpu. I laughed. She's in support. She's following Tunumpu. So, who you follow now to get information? By the way, if you need to call Sabo, now we wear the media. Medias follow everybody to get information. So we are now become Sabo. Do you men know that men on the ground, intelligence units, follow anybody? So they have now become Sabo. They wanted to blackmail this woman for a very long time. They said, oh, she's PDP. Oh, can't you sing the Fulani singing for her? Ojuku, didn't the Fulani not sing for Ojuku? When they did a coup, the person who stopped that coup in Ojuku. That coup now, where they call Igbo coup, it was Ojuku that stopped it. And our people were saying Ojuku is sabotaging us. But when the spirit of freedom occupied Ojuku, when the spirit of freedom occupied Ojuku, do you know what Ojuku did? Ojuku became more fierce than the people calling him Sabo. Ojuku stood strong till the test of time, irrespective of the fact that he went to marry Ono's daughter. Ono was a Sabo during the Biafra prayer. Please. Ono was a very big Sabo during the Biafra prayer. Are you getting the point? Am I preaching to you, please? If I'm preaching to you, can I hear you say, Can I hear you say, Papa, ride on? Can I hear you say, Papa, prophesy? Mazen Namdekano. Mazen Namdekano was a regional Congo Nigerianist. Don't you know that? Mazen Namdekano was a believer of one Nigeria. But when the spirit of freedom occupied Mazen Namdekano, he became more fierce than those who were seeing him as a Sabo. Mazen Simon Epa. Yeah, I can see you, Chidubem and Francis Jumbo. Mazen Simon Epa was original and Congo Nigerianist. He have represented Nigeria in every aspect in athletics. But when the spirit of freedom occupied him, even though he was in Iriji, he left his jeep to go home and started thinking, why did this thing happen? That is after saying, take this flag of Biafra, go away from here. And before he turned his back, Mwa Biafra she's supposed to go to toilet like this, but she stayed like this. Akụkọ Mama Ngozi na ndị ya a na-akọ ya. Wee kọọ ihe full grown up man. Men na-anụ enweghị aka ọrụ. Ọ bụrụ na nke unu na-akpọ Akpakarawa nwere aka ọrụ. On the freedom. Freedom is my business. Don Nwapali, I used to see you as sensible somebody before. I don't know that you have a chinko in you. Also, I give your CSO 1 month. Why is it that you did not give me 1 month to vacate? You will first of all give me 1 month. Okpokoro Pampuru. When are you people doing your election? Because I have heard that you people are planning to make Oge Nkere leader. From finance minister. Oh, men on the ground are not giving money. Those of you who want to know that they came on the ground to harness to support them, you are in for a shock. This was what DOS did at that time. They went to underground, they said, oh, support us. Did you know that this group of criminals are now sending threat message that I will buy, I will do this, the same thing that the DOS are doing. You will buy, you will die. You will die. That's the thing that they are telling me, that I will die. Because I did not buy into their nonsense. I am too big to follow that nonsense that you people call a group. I am too big. Too big to follow. Don Nwapali said that I am lying. You're a criminal. You're a criminal like DOS. So after all these years, you just notice that I'm a criminal. My criminality will stop your criminality. I accept I'm a criminal because I don't have anything to prove to you. But my own criminality will stop you because you are not genuine. I have 110 live viewers. Only 75 now hitting the like button. You must endeavor to hit the like button. It is a part of support for people to see this very video. Once you hit it once. Once you hit the like button, other people are going to see the video. Other people are going to see the video. I have become like a gatekeeper in this very freedom. If you are not genuine, I go. No matter how your attack dogs, even your attack dogs, Oge Nkere, your attack dogs are not even normal. They are not even strong like the DOS. They have a very fierce attack dog. So put more attack dog. I knew what you people, when PM was around, I knew what you people did. To collapse men on the ground, collapse Ebonyi, collapse Enugu, Ndoshi. Send people in Enugu State up. I spoke, I'm not going to review the identities of those who called me, but those are the people working with you people. Yeah, the commanders under success. I spoke with them. They told me, we do not trust this guy. I am getting to know there is one. The commanders that you people are saying, they made a video. This was how they used them during the DOS time. Many people are saying the DOS bully our people. Who did it? Who did it? Who won our people? Who did they use? That person is there. What he did is that after buying all these people, he came back and said, oh, I have repented. I don't know that they were using me. And he was reintegrated. That same person now is doing the same thing. Tomorrow he will say, oh, I don't know that they were using me. I have repented. Biafran's cheek. I told you people, this thing that I'm saying now, I said it during the time of Opontunugu. I said, he who insults his leader, you will never love him. For any reason you insult somebody or fight against that person, house arrest is not prison, please. That is how the order of Finland go. Those who say he is in maximum prison. Those saying he is in maximum prison is a lie. They are avenged the time that Oge Chiamaka Ajaere was insulting our prime minister, saying he's because of money that he's doing what he's doing. Look at him, he's collecting super chat. Biafrans look, watching. You see, not Chiamaka Ajaere. The one that you people called Akpakarawa, the same thing, was insulting our PM. The reason why he came back was because Nelly's ship will sink. If Nelly's ship did not sink, he will be following Nelly. But when they knew that their ship would have sink, they made a U-turn. Because they started telling you people then, oh, we control men on the ground. Every lies is that before they can succeed with their lies, is that they will lie with men on the ground. They will tell you, oh, we control men on the ground. We have power. Now we control them. Men on the ground this, men on the ground that. They have come with the same templates. This Akpakarawa now that you people are believing. Who again among them? Who again? Come na Vision 555. All of you know when he returned. Shouting, oh, PN, I have the documents. I have the documents. Ask him, where is the document? My own. Where is my documents? Let me present my documents. But go and ask that one, where is his documents? You see this book, anywhere where they go, I know they forget them. They carry them, they go anywhere. Anywhere that I'm going, I cannot forget it. Immediately, bam, I go carry the book. If you see me with this book, you will think, say, I carry anything. Now, the book I carry. This book will consist of many of our comrades where they buy, and many of them where they. This was the data that I have to extract from Ndi Nzama when I was handing over. It pained me that there are some books that I supposed to take away, but I did not. I will continue to carry it. Even if it works 100 years, I go carry this book anywhere where I go. But ask him, where is that in his, oh, I have all this, I have that today. Have you not gone back? We are they not in the same group? We are they not in the same group that we are insulting PM? We are there not? Akpakarawa Ngwo. Chiketam pum tutsums. Pafuru akatam pum etanka etekus. They are in that same group. That group is made up of sabotage, blackmailers, liars and deceivers. The one where they pen me, the one that is penning me pass is harnessing. Oh, she wants to stop fundraising. She wants to stop fundraising. Is your issue still fundraising? They want to be in charge of the money. They don't want to account for it. And I thank PM for making them not to be in charge of the third account. They are now telling you, oh, that third account is for Dr. Ngozi Arabueze. It's her charity account. Dr. Ngozi Arabueze's charity account, which makes it possible that money laundering that they are saying that our PM, security, I mean, for men on the ground, Biafra Liberation Army, and you have a private account called New Dimension account. And the money coming to, that is supposed to be going for Biafra government, is going into through that New Dimension account. That is what they are saying. The money laundering charges against our PM. They want to authenticate it. The fake prophet, we never believed you. Don't believe me, but let your pastor see what I am seeing. I don't talk about the boast. Let your pastor see what I am seeing. Emmanuel Oremi Jews have seen a lot and told you the one that you can testify. Not when I know that you are not genuine. Ndoshi. You come, I should support you. I refuse to support you. Oh, you are not genuine. You are not genuine. I better go hungry than support criminals like you people. I better go, hunger better white buy me than me. I go support criminals like you. Let us move. Yesterday, I saw them on Twitter where they were doing fundraising. Oh, donate the money. Ministers of donating the money. They said they are about to open their office in New Jersey. And during the office opening, we did not see them. But they use it to scam our people. You see this government, Biafra is now a government. You can never use Biafra to do scam and go scot-free. Mazin Namdekano will say, before we pursue you, we will first of all catch you. Before we pursue you, we will first of all catch you. Ndoshi. Before we pursue you, we will first of all catch you. This very woman, Dr. Ngozi Oragoize, about why? Boy, you think about why? In my Oge PM every time, PM. When they sponsor propaganda, PM will come out to say, oh, I condemn this propaganda is sponsored by the enemies. So now, the same propaganda against how PM have said it time without number when he was around. This propaganda are being sponsored by the enemies of freedom. This propaganda are being sponsored by the enemies of freedom. At the back of PM, they now, which shows that they are the enemies of freedom PM was talking about. Look at them. If I claim that I love freedom, I wouldn't be here for saga. Did I start any saga? No, be them bring saga. So I should allow them to nail this woman. Some of you are with evil spirit, demons living in you. This is how they judge. Look at this full-fledged old man. Or whatever. Brother, if you claim that you love freedom, stop saga. You won't be here for saga. Did I stop saga? Can't you go and tell them, they that are nailing this woman, telling you, oh, she's a sabo, she's working for Nigeria, but they that was against Biafra declaration, even when this sabo was saying, oh, they can't declare Biafra, and this woman took the bull by the horn, declared Biafra on 29, when they started kicking against it, they wanted to fight that very day. Go and ask people. Why was she declared Biafra? Who gave her the authority? The inside knows. When they brought it on social media, when they clap for them, then when Oremi Jews entered to stop it, I became a propagandist. Do you see you people? The evil spirit is living in some of you. Evil spirit is living in some of you because you people are not pure and you don't say the truth. If you won't say the truth and hide from the truth, you go from platform. When you see their propaganda, you will dodge. But when Oremi Jews enemies with peace. You cannot go into the army front, and you cannot go into the battlefield with your enemies holding guns at your back. They will finish you. Which peace are you calling? I'm asking you, which peace? This is how you people distort and change the narrative. But I am here. I am here. I am here to stop it. They sponsor too many propaganda against this very woman. Even when now, right now in America, they are still telling American government to arrest her. They are submitting papers in America. Arrest her. The people that is supposed to cover her is saying, oh, she's a sabo, I even see some certain things that they are sharing. Oh, don't trust that thing, it is a fake. The same thing that the DOS people did, the same propaganda, the same templates. Oh, nobody wants to arrest PM. It was a deceit. Later they came. Oh, they will arrest him. There is a group that have taken this thing and they will arrest him, not knowing that they went to beg Ojukusu, Bianca Ojuku, to go to Finnish embassy here to tell them that what Prime Minister was about to declare is the same thing that made people to buy during the 1967 to 1970. That was what Bianca Ojuku told them, that they must arrest him now, or else they will see immediate chaos. Many people are going to buy. Many people are going to buy. Somebody said, I am no longer seeing the real enemies. Then who is DOS working with? Who is DOS working with? I spoke with Chiamaka Ajaere in the night around after 9. Around after 10, I mean to say, because the initial call came around after 9. So I told him when I got out to house, I will call him back. Around after 9, 10. Then I spoke with him, I told him, the reason why I made a U-turn, because they already corrupt my brain and my mindset that this woman is a sabo. I don't already see this woman as a sabo because I have not received the message from inside as a human being. I believe I have my human nature. Unless I receive message that this thing is like this, I will believe that one. I don't already see her as sabo. Then I told Chiamaka Ajaere, what made me to make a U-turn is that the rate through which these people were trying to blackmail this woman, trying to buy this woman, trying to stop her. Oh, she's going to Finland. Who even told them that she wants to go, she will be the one to declare Biafra there? Who told them that she's going to Finland to declare Biafra? She will not get to Finland. They will arrest her, this and that. And there was already, what are they calling it? Something that they're supposed to collect on Monday to stop that very deceit. They were planning it in two phases. Cause a fight, cause chaos, which Chiamaka Ajaere is already doing. You know that one is a hungry, sheepish looking individual. Hungry individual. This Oko went to promise a woman that he will marry him. He will marry her. He have a wife, a woman, and that woman, he was thinking that that woman is going to do everything. He was telling him, he was telling her, I don't have work, this and that, because the woman is endowed. Endowed. He wants to marry the woman. Oh, I want to marry you. How many distance? Trying to scam the woman. Should I count one or count two? Countless of them. What he doesn't know is that most of them may be their spiritual father. Most of the women in this very struggle may be their spiritual father. Not all of them. As I they hold the men, as I they hold the women. Now me, where you they see, where you they blackmail, where you they lie, where you they insult. When it got to me, I saw that lies and deceit were there. The intention is the money. He was targeting that the woman have so that the woman could give him money. Unyoshi. So cause chaos. And this woman took the bull by the horn. They don't like it. Why did you declare Biafra on 29 instead of second? Because their own Sabo was calling them. Oh, how did you allow that very woman to declare Biafra? But we said, they were saying, oh, sorry, she never discussed it with us. Nkere Chiamaka, Minister of Plant Affairs. Court injunction, that they will collect on Monday. On Monday morning, around 8, is when they fixed to collect the court injunction to stop that second. And this woman took the bull by the horn to declare it. So their court injunction became useless. They couldn't collect it anymore. Okay, if we go and arrest them now, Biafra have already been declared. What are we doing? I am anonymous. I am anonymous. That is their biggest distance. Chiamaka said, why was she declare Biafra without consulting them? She did not know anyone and went and declared Biafra. Is it not Biafra that you needed? So, did you need any further consultation to declare Biafra? When the enemies, even Nigerian newspapers, we are even telling you people that you cannot hold that December 2nd. These are not, they are telling you that December 2nd, we are not going to hold. Are you hearing? And all of a sudden, Ifeanyi Uba's cousin, that is Oge Nkere. Oge Nkere is Ifeanyi Uba's cousin brother. Oh, I went to America and I told Michael Johnson, the third strongest man in the world, Onyoshi. As if he had any connection. He was sent and given, oh, go and speak. Let me see somebody that will connect you again. What you people will now be taking is picture, like a Tony Nadi. When the money that was contributed by Biafra people finish, and you have no power to deceive them anymore, because right now, the initial stage, you can deceive Biafra people because they are thinking of where to follow. But hold that money tight, because the money go finish. Now me they tell you, oh, more than we don't look madam. We don't look madam, oh, more than that money is going to finish. And there will be no money. It's just like this thing that Pastor Infection did. Pastor Infection. I don't want to promote him anymore. When he left, he was using the small money that they had to rent a motor. Oh, can't you see? Convoy, the Afro government in exile convoy. We. That is how Una go scatter. When that money finish, are you still seeing the Afro convoy? Are they still parading themselves? The money don't finish, they scatter. You that they said, come and give account. Let me tell you people the fact. You know they are lying to you people. Oh, they want to use the account against them. Ask him, are you the first person? Did you know that, what are they calling? Madam Azuka's husband was even in the committee there. And they blackmailed that one. Oh, this one is chopping money. And they took you over. That one don't go. Did they not hand over to you? They hand over to you. Are you the first? Are you the second? Are you the third? So why must it be that when you do account, did others not do account? Oh, if I do account, they are going to put it in public. Why is she not putting her office in the public? Because if they are going to put it in the public, you have to see them holding space meeting. Once you ask that question about defense, they will hot it. We are not going to tell you what we are doing. That defense, they know they answer the question. Because they know that this is the critical time. Once you ask question about defense, I even love this man. But you people must remain resolute. Not when we praise you people tomorrow, they go use you as sabo to blackmail the woman. when I praise you today, you say, oh, Emmanuel already just praised me. Let me go and sabotage. If you sabotage, I blackmail you. I will talk the truth. That's me for you. I love that man. When you ask questions, he will say, we will not tell you what we are doing on the ground. That is people who know what they are doing. Some people will say, oh, I am not satisfied with the answer. Okay, you go there satisfied, okay? The satisfaction that you're supposed to get from the answer is that we are not going to tell you what we are doing in defense. The defense is okay. Then, they contribute money for men on the ground. Go and tell you they should do more video. But the more appalling thing is that this same group of criminals on the ground now, we are used to buy our men there. I go tell now, I know about it. Even in Consort, where we they cry today, I know how some of you blackmail Consort. Yeah, the people where they call men on the ground now. So should you go back to your old ways of life, to your dangerous ways of life? Do you think that Emmanuel Oremichus is going to sing praises of you? Because they were men on the ground. On the ground that you are, now we start on the ground. Men on the ground. Now we start out. If we were not there, do you think that you will be there? Freedom is the only thing that we speak the language. Nwoke lụcha ọgụ, nwaanyị nwere akụkọ, na-abụ nwaanyị lụcha ọgụ, nwoke nwere akụkọ. Nwaanyị lụcha ọgụ na nwoke nwere gịnị? Nwere nke bụ akụkọ. Gbaba ogusi, kọba asịrị, tụba asị. Madam Azuka, CSO, Madam Azuka, CSO. And let me tell you people the fact. I have that most of them in that group of Oge Nkere, we are fighting Madam Azuka's fight. I have that. So some of them, we are fighting Madam Azuka's fight. That is intelligent report that I got. But I must say, you know me, I go down on the truth. I must say that they should continue. But also, again, account of my. About also making account of my. One you to on social media, did not come to tell, oh, okay, encourage you to women. She will say, those people who felt that this, she will regard them as nothing and move on. But can they move on? No. Whole space, every time they are sleeping in space. Akpakarawa. How many times have PM? Thank God that PM will come to. How many times that PM have called you and you say, oh, you are busy. You are doing this or you are doing that to see money. So you are not doing all those things again. You are no longer busy to go and fetch for money. But you can sleep on internet. No longer busy. Sleeping 24 hours on the internet. They share the money. Oge Nkere, send more money. Oge Nkere, mechanic Oge Nkere, send more money. After all, Maga 4. I mean, Maga don't fall. People are donating. Now I can go because there will be a time they will dry. This thing, well, when I don't start now, when I don't go, they sabotage yourself. Begin now, watch it out, bomb, oh, share money, share money. I watched and saw the elderly man in that their group. So after running to abroad to go and find money, when you don't they already near your grave, you they support injustice. You cannot even give small children advice. Look at what you are uselessing yourself doing with Umas. In the words of Mazen Namdekano, yes, on that kind of Bondo Kenya Rural. It will do Kenya Rural at a village. Maka only Igbo no Nyamu will grow old. I'm not saying that Undi Igbo Bunda Rural, but I'm you got Andin Bunda now the guy in a village. We one day grow old and they will be called okay. Do you think that at the old age they will suddenly change? That thing that they were doing their youthful age, they will be doing it there. And then you respect them. Oh, okay. Don't insult him, he's okay. Well, Nnani, good afternoon. Nnani, blue glass, no kumata. I am wondering how Chiamaka Ajaere old age will be. Hey, you know this close to them, you go suffer. You know, Emmanuel religious. Now maybe the only person where they come confess my sin in the internet. They are not sinning, but they are more sinful than Emmanuel religious. Me, I they say, no, I am a sinner. Yes, I am a sinner. But I know that my sin is not in the freedom. The only sin that Emmanuel religious can commit is wine. And that sin I have. I am now a repented not repented or you know, denigrate over it. I am not a repented person. I repent, I want to send this message, please. Very sincerely. Somebody is saying that he saw Gaddafi yesterday in fundraising, or is it old video? I don't know. People should check that. But they will work with Gaddafi. That is a group of sabotage group. Check their group. Have any one of them not attacked PM? Even Oge Nkere went to tell Vision 555. The same thing Gaddafi did. Harnessing people to overthrow PM. He went to tell Vision 555 that he wants to replace PM. And Vision 555 told 247. 247, being a truthful elder, come out to say, Vision 555, you are still following Oge Nkere, President Oge Nkere. Did Oge Nkere not tell you that he wants to replace PM? So the coup have already been there. Gaddafi did it. Thank God that they did not carry our PM that time, because if they carry our PM, those of you will be praising Gaddafi. You will say, oh, why are you running propaganda? If Gaddafi is bad, why is he still in PM's cabinet? Stop that propaganda. You are running propaganda against an innocent man. You people will be praising Gaddafi. But when Gaddafi used the idea to tell me some certain things, I shield. The mistake that Chiamaka Ajaere did was to call me, because in his voice, I sensed the hatred of PM. Why must we take a command from somebody inside prison? Did we take command from Mazin Namdekano? Why must it be now? But you cannot say it in your program. Say it in your program, I challenge you. People will abandon you immediately. But they cannot say it. This hatred, they conceal it. They conceal it. insult because I supported PM. Those people that came back to support PM, they are insulting me then, calling me fake prophets. Calling me fake. But when we succeeded, they come back to support PM. During the time of Nelly Ofebu, I saw the problem. In fact, Nelly Ofebu's stone was 2 weeks after I said it that it happened. Many people that came to tell me, oh, look at it, this woman is right. PM is, Simon Epi is wrong, because that was what they called him then. Simon Epi is wrong. Many of them, when we succeed in PM, they then come back to join, including this Akpakarawa. Oh, Gaddafi joined them yesterday. It's good, really good that you know that Gaddafi is part of them. Coup plotters, no shit. All of them, most of them have been working with them. Gaddafi, all these people now doing video to say, oh, they do not support Dr. Ngasa Arabeze. We are really against our PM, but they no go tell you. That was the reason why I made this Commander Royce, I made him to know. Remember your post last year, December. Okay, last year, December, against our PM. And later you said that they should forgive you. Don't allow yourself to be in that shoe. Okay, I don't care wherever that you stand, because they have used you in the time past. We can, if you dare betray, we will remember those people where you buy. Now that one be my own. Hey, we know your crime. I mean, we just feel because you made a U-turn from the criminals in DOS. We do. Just continue. We will soon open that chapter about how you people continued your blackmails. Me, I don't send anybody. Me, I don't send anybody. During Nelly Ofebu's own, 2 weeks after I announced that there will be problem, but do not be perturbed. Follow PM. 2 weeks. Osetie of your belief. During Madam Azoka's own, those of them that said, oh, you were supporting, did you see what was happening? Am I not the person that came and told you that there will be problem? But do not be divided. Even during, what are they calling them? Not only of Webu. During Livingstone own, I came out to say it. Follow me. If you follow me on this very platform, when there is problem, you go no ahead. I have been consistent. I see it and I come out to say it. I came out. Then, during Madam Azoka's own December, I came out to say it. But they said, oh, you supported Madam Azoka. Is there any time that when I praised Madam Azoka was when Madam Azoka was with us? The same way I praised Emeka Livingstone. Or don't you people know that I was praising Emeka Livingstone? And other people. Not only him. But once you derail, I will come out to say. But why Madam Azoka's own take time is that she comported herself when she was speaking with me. So I did not notice any evil. When people were saying, oh, this, that, I told people, please, me, I have not noticed. If there is any one of you who have it, bring it and I will. They say, oh, don't you see? Go on. I said, no, until I have evidence. That is when they are saying, oh, you supported Madam Azoka. Show me that video, which I did, praising Madam Azoka after she was suspended. Show me the video. What I did in my video is that I have not seen anything. If I see, I will run. I will use it. And when one papa, it was one papa who called me to let me. That papa, what he told me is that that woman that I'm seeing, she is careful speaking with you because he knows whom you are. And the papa is somebody that is being respected in this very freedom. Even PM respects him so much. And when he speaks and told me one after one that I called other people and they said the same thing, I use it program, and I comprise it with the word that she told me, which was a red flag to me, that when she was suspended, that Butosa told him, you can never be suspended. We will stop any activity until PM bring you back. The same thing Butosa or Potosa is doing today. So are they selective, Abi? Selective judgment. Why was she suspended? On the order of insubordination, which is what Oge Nkere is doing. Insubordination. Can't more. Then when I go support Oge Nkere, oh, Minister of Finance, oh, they want to blackmail men on the ground. If you don't know anything, shut up. They will just play on your emotion and milk you. Now they tell you. They will play on your emotion and milk you. Their last destination is PM. PM is their last destination. Nothing more, nothing less. And they felt that now that PM is not around, they can blackmail him by telling the international community that that account PM had been using was a private account. That is what they are saying. And you people are helping, oh, that account is private account. And what is the crime that they are charging PM? Money laundering. So if these people are take over, they will go and say, oh, this account. But they know that the Biafra government, all those things, they will distance it. But let it be known, you see all those money where una dey raise, una go pay. Hey, una never know wetin una enter. Any money where una raise, this is not the OSRR. This is a government error. Any money where una raise in the name of Biafra government, you see that government where una dey use. I am minister of this thing. If you don't pay the money, anywhere where you see me, call me idiot. You go pay the money. You go pay the money times 20. So if you are using the money, use it careful. My word will not fall down. Those money where una dey raise, hey, Biafra government, including the Igbe wey no get work, in the Biafra government. But when PM was around, to catch you now, come, we want to go live. Oh, PM, I'm busy. I want to go and run business. I'm not at home. I am this. Oh, I was given work. PM go dey chase una. Before PM go come on live, people where they watch, you no go know wetin dey happen. So, PM want the one come live. Sometimes if you like to come sudden live, he will call you people, oh, I am not around. I am not around. I am in working place. Oh, PM, when I go back, and PM will not come that live anymore. He will not come that live anymore. Today, when I get chance to do 4 hours, you are no longer doing work. Ndoshi. 4 hours, 5 hours on a day live. Even when I do 4 hours, cut them. In the next 30 minutes, I don't come back, trying to scam our people. Ndoshi. 21st century Oshi. Umuachikote ekwonu. Umuachikote ekwonu. Go and write it down. Those money, where una collect. If una no pay, make I know wetin cost am. I will stop there. When I go pay the money, you know, get as he won't be. This one, Oge Nkere, he says small 419. You go pay the money. Whether you da vent for your uncle, where you find your bow, or you know that vent for anybody, you go pay the money. You cannot scam our people using Biafra government. Biafra is a government. You go pay the money. You know, get as he won't be. Enough of that blackmail, lies, and deceit. Many of the people that are supposed to know better, they are here running propaganda. Propaganda machineries. Their only target is Master Simon Ever. Nothing more, nothing less. Nothing more, nothing less. They can blackmail all that they care. from 13 to 45. Though I have sabotaged Biafra with all my might, but there is no light in sabotage because I consistently regret my action as a saboteur that I am, even in the next life, which I am here suffering. Now, I have no other opportunity to come and apologize to Biafra people that I have sabotaged. Go to Ubadi Aseka. For all I did was to get money, get recognition, more recognitions, and live wealthy. Mano, uru adịghị n'isi azụ. Turn it to Bible book of Uchemefo. The same way I blackmailed Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is the same way that they are blackmailing CSO. They have lost their prestige as human beings, just the way I lost my prestige. From global Uchemefo to ordinary Okada driver Uchemefo, from launching Biafra with Asari Dokubo to Asari using my head, I regret very deep for betraying Biafra. Turn to the Bible book of the DOS. For we started shouting Biafra. In Biafra we believe. It is either Biafra or Biafra. No going back. We are formidable. We are fearless before our enemies. At the end of our sabotage against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we have become paddy within the governors, and we are now living in government houses. We are now building skyscrapers, hoping to enjoy the money. Though we sabotage, but our land is gradually being taken by occupation government. Uru adịghị n'isi azụ. Turn it to the Bible book of Wazurike. Read from chapter 55. I built a hotel in Owerri with the money duly gotten from Biafra people, lying to them that I'm building Biafra embassy, lying to them that I'm building Biafra government. But all was turned into hotel. When Hope Uzodimma took over, he demolished some of them because I supported them. I am in opposition camp against Hope Uzodimma. He used the opportunity to buy my houses and destroy it. Uru adịghị n'isi azụ. Oge Nkere na ndị sabo ntị ike ibe ha aka adịbe Baịbụl ụnụ chere anyị ede. Sabo ntị ike unu na just ele. You want to blackmail. Oh, man, every day support us. I support them. You become a fake. Now I know that you're a fake prophet. Gaddafi be able to join the original prophet. Prophet Gaddafi, hey, Gada. Ndara, I am stopping here. Freedom is the last bus stop. Long live the Confederation State of Biafra, or Confederation. Long live the government of Biafra. Long live Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the supreme leader of this very movement. Long live Mazen Simon Eba, the spiritual, one of the most spiritual akataka of this very movement. Because you have sacrificed a lot in this very Biafra that we are pursuing, that we have gotten, that we are liberated. The land of Biafra will keep on remembering you. And at the closest time, you will rejoin us. hearing. And later he mellowed down because he know PM and the command which he to trash you immediately. Trash yagi focus on. The one who calls success, well, they call PA. He was using the struggle to make money. Collecting money from some commanders and setting some of them up. I did on my own and then cry, come meet me. Even most of them today that are in the same group, I know most of them that are still in the same group. But one thing that I have said is that no matter what, your informations are intact. I will not leak any information. Me, no be me. You give me information, I leak them for waiting. Even most of them now that is playing against this thing. Cry, come meet me. The way that this criminal success, before, after the immediately PM disappeared, Orube, how many days he have printed recruitments? Because initially, they did not trust Butuzo. If Butuzo will fall in their camp. He was doing this with Oge Nkere. So they went to print recruitment. They printed over 1 million copies to recruit men using Biafra government and Minister of Defense signature. Whereas Minister of Defense do not know anything about them. They will not tell you, oh, it is because of new this thing. It was from old. From old. The Minister of Defense did not know. They print Biafra government copy to recruit men. Minister of Defense signature was in it. And Minister of Defense don't know. And when the information was leaked, they became mad. How did you get to know? Many of them, I know of a commander the commander that told me this. I will not say he's in Anambra, Imo. He's in Anambra, Imo. Enugu, Ebonyi. He's in Anambra, Imo. Enugu, Ebonyi. On a one note, people that they have already submitted in Biafra land for the recruitment. If una no say they go kidnap PM, success, you did not know what happened to PM. How did you get hold of printing military recruitment without the Minister of Defense this thing? Whereas when I use his signature signed by Minister of Defense. These are information that I hear I got. How did you know? Sabotage case. Akpakarawa sabos. How did you know? If you don't know that PM will be carried, how did you know? Leave Butuzo is a very confused criminal. Yes, now. Butuzo buy the men on the ground that all of you, we are crying that they buy them. Who buy them? Not be Butuzo. Not be Butuzo, the OSU buy them. And he let them in the U-turn. Not be the same Butuzo. When I beg, I don't want talk much. Make we reserve them there. Since they want to engage in politics. The same criminals who buy our men, did the owners use them? Buy everybody. And at the end of the day, oh, I have now become a repentant. From repented, there is no way to treat cancer. Cut it off. Okay, it is confirmed that Gaddafi attended their fundraising yesterday. Gaddafi appeared in their fundraising. Now it is all you need to know. All you need to know. Please, you people should cut out that Gaddafi part and send it to me, please. I need it. I need that Gaddafi part. was used by men on the ground. Ọ chọrọ ihu obodo onye ya akwụ ọtọ, some ogbe eze ya akwụ ọtọ, onye kwụrụ ọtọ ebutuo ya, some ogbe eze ya akwụ ọtọ. If you do that this time around, if you do that this time around, Chineke bụ onye ọnụ. I am stopping here.